Hello friends. So in last week option trading plan for 5th August expiry, that is for today, हमने दो स्ट्राइक सिलेक्ट किए थे which is 16,000 कॉल एंड 15,600 पुट. एंड जैसे कि आप निफ्टी के चार्ट पे देख रहे हैं, ऑन ट्यूसडे 3rd August निफ्टी हैड गिवन अ गुड क्लोज अबाउ 16,000 एंड वो कैंडल बहुत बड़ी बनी थी एंड इट वाज 200 रेंज का कैंडल है वो. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच हमारा जो स्टॉप लॉस है वो हिट हो चुका था बेस्ड ऑन द क्लोजिंग बेसिस. एंड पॉसिबली if everyone would have followed the exit plan जो हम हर वीडियो में शेयर करते हैं, so the loss would have been around 3,000 rupees per lot in that case, which is very less compared to whatever total profit that we have earned in the last few weeks. So and loss is part of the game. जो profit हमको market से आया था, तो उसका थोड़ा सा ही part हमने वापस से market को दे दिया. That is all right. So basically, so this is a bit of the last week position. And if we check about the current week पोजीशन, तो अभी जैसे कि आप मैंने चार्ट पे सप्लाई एंड डिमांड जोन बनाया है. एंड जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट, देयर इज अ गुड ब्रेकआउट अबाउट द सप्लाई जोन इन निफ्टी. एंड बेस्ड ऑन दिस सप्लाई एंड डिमांड जोन ब्रेकआउट, द टारगेट दैट इज कमिंग इज 16,414 फॉर निफ्टी. सो हम लोग ये टारगेट को कंसिडर करके वी विल बी शॉर्टिंग कॉल अबाउट 16,500 for 12th August expiry. And regarding put, so we will be taking a round figure which is 16,000, and we will be shorting put of 16,000 strike for 12th August expiry. Again, we will be hedging our position by buying 200 points away option, which means 16,500 plus 200, which is 16,700 put call, and 16,000 minus 200, which is 15,800 100 put. So we will be buying these two options for hedge, and that hedge will help us in for overnight protection. And regarding the stop loss and exit plan, if the market stays in between 16,000 and 16,500 range on Thursday as well, then we will hold our position. If Nifty closes above 16,500 or if Nifty closes below 16,000, then we will exit both the positions simultaneously. So the stop loss is on the closing basis, and also 325 for just check a price. अगर मार्केट उस रेंज के बाहर है, then exit our position by 330 at that time. So ये हमारा exit plan है. So let's see the premiums in option. So this was for the last week. I will load the premiums for current week. So 16,500 call, 16,700 call, so these are the option premiums that we will be getting for options for option writing plan. जो कि हम 16,500 का जो कॉल है वो सेल करेंगे एंड 16,000 का पुट जो है वो सेल करेंगे. एंड रेस्ट अदर टू ऑप्शंस आर फॉर hedging. And if we check the payoff as well, so I will just show the payoff abhi. So options, and in this 12th August expiry, we will be taking 16,000 put. And 16,500 call, 16,500 call. So this is the payoff for naked position. Now we will hedge our position. So basically 16,500 plus 200, which is 16,700 call we will buy. And on downside, we will buy 16,000 minus 200, which is 15,800 put. So this is the final payoff. ये हमारा final payoff है. And जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे कि maximum profit is 16,660. जो margin required is around 42,000, and the probability of profit is 62.9% in this case. And जो if we get maximum profit, then profit percentage is around 3.9% in this case. So ये हमारा payoff है, and I will share this payoff in the description section so that one can track their position as well. And if you have learned anything from this video, then you can like this video, and also do follow us for more educational videos in future. Also, there's a disclaimer with this video. So yeah, thank you guys.